In strategic decision-making, harnessing the power of tools like PESTLE Analysis, enhanced with the dynamic capabilities of AI like ChatGPT, can revolutionize how challenges are transformed into opportunities. Welcome, strategic thinkers. Today we're diving into the world of strategic solutions armed with a dynamic duo, PESTLE Analysis enriched by ChatGPT insights. Together they bring clarity to the fog of business uncertainty. Imagine a world where decisions are no longer clouded by haste, missing details, or unchecked assumptions. This world leverages insightful, data-driven foresight to guide strategic paths through the ever-evolving landscape of any industry. PESTLE Analysis, a fundamental tool, dissects challenges by breaking them into political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors, each offering a lens to see the invisible patterns influencing outcomes. This process is supercharged when ChatGPT generates live insights and predictions, ensuring that strategies are resilient and adaptable. Let's delve into how this magic unfolds. Our journey begins by methodically applying PESTLE to pinpoint external influences that hold sway over possibilities. Political shifts, economic tides, societal changes, technological advances, legal frameworks, and environmental realities are scrutinized. Here, ChatGPT excels. It dynamically processes this information, crafting actionable insights and innovative strategies right before our eyes. We're not just reacting, we're proactively navigating the terrain with real-time intelligence tailored to our unique contexts. From there, let's meander through each step of this collaborative process. First, identify key influencing factors. Picture this. An evolving regulatory landscape alters the business climate overnight. Then, ChatGPT, prompted with these real-world scenarios, generates robust options and recommendations, considering varying risk levels and strategic advantages. It's a transformation from mere data into a treasure trove of possibilities. Next, walk with us through the step-by-step implementation. Understanding the mission? Check. Delving into a full-scale analysis? Done. Generating multiple courses of action? Absolutely. Assessing risks and refining the final choices? You bet. ChatGPT's role is pivotal at each stage, offering insights that evolve and align with the strategic path forward. Wrapping up, the advantages of merging PESTLE with ChatGPT are clear. An arsenal of adaptable insights, tailor-made solutions, and enhanced decision-making that steers through complexities with confidence. An essential tool for today's strategic thinkers, offering endless customization for every challenge, every industry. Ready to unlock the full potential of strategic foresight? Like this, subscribe, join our newsletter, and visit my Linktree for more insights. Discover more strategies in the book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker. 3. Stay ahead, stay informed, and use these adaptable insights to conquer your unique challenges, strategic thinkers. Your journey to mastering strategic decision-making begins now.